Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony Policastro here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we have a very special guitar from the folks at Taylor. It is a first edition 918E. Launched at this year's NAMM show. We are very excited that it waltzed through our back door just a day ago. But before we get to this instrument, I want to make sure you sign up for the Acoustic Letter for all its acoustic instrument goodness. On to the Taylor 918E First Edition. This guitar has plenty of bass to go around. It is incredibly responsive. This new Grand Orchestra body shape is awesome, especially paired with solid Indian rosewood back and sides, which the 918E happens to have. Let's give you a rundown of the specs. The 918E First Edition has a Sitka spruce top, and like I said, Indian rosewood back and sides, beautiful piece of rosewood. It also has abalone purfling around the entire top, an abalone rosette, and also a little abalone purfling around the fingerboard extension. Very classy, really ritzy. We also have an ebony bridge with inlay down here as well, ebony pins, a bone saddle, a beautiful dark ebony fingerboard with a Cindy themed inlay. We also have an 1 3/4 bone nut, my favorite gold Goto 510 tuners, super smooth. If you've seen any of our other videos, you know I love them. I always talk about them. Classy Taylor headstock with, again, inlay and an ebony overlay. Mahogany neck, super smooth neck profile. This thing is a sure bet winner. It's a killer guitar. It sounds great strummed. It sounds great finger-picked. Like, again, it has tons of bass and is super responsive. So let's give this thing a play so you can hear what it sounds like. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.